Ever wondered why the Dogwifhat meme coin has taken the internet by storm? This quirky crypto coin is more than just a digital currency. It's a cultural phenomenon, born from the fertile grounds of internet humor. Meme coins, like Dogwifhat, are a fascinating offshoot of the cryptocurrency world, marrying humor and finance in ways never before seen. They're the new kids on the block, and they're shaking things up in a big way. So let's dive into the world of Dogwifhat meme coin and unravel its mysteries. Dogwifhat, strange name, isn't it? But in the world of memes, it's the strangest things that catch on. Dogwifhat is more than just an internet sensation. It's a meme coin that has taken the cryptocurrency market by storm. To understand Dogwifhat meme coin, we first need to understand its origin. It all started with a quirky meme featuring a dog wearing a hat, hence the name Dogwifhat. The meme's popularity skyrocketed, and soon enough it was everywhere. As the meme grew, so did an idea. Why not create a cryptocurrency that mirrors the popularity of the meme? And thus, Dogwifhat meme coin was born. But how does it work? Well, like any other cryptocurrency, Dogwifhat operates on a decentralized network. It can be bought, sold, and traded just like Bitcoin or Ethereum. However, the value of Dogwifhat is not just determined by supply and demand. It's largely driven by the popularity of the meme itself. The more people sharing and interacting with the Dogwifhat meme, the more valuable the coin becomes. The coin was first launched on a whim, but it quickly gained momentum. The internet's love for the meme translated into a fascination with the coin. People started investing in it, driving its value up. Despite its seemingly silly origin, Dogwifhat meme coin has managed to carve out a niche in the vast crypto universe. So, what makes Dogwifhat meme coin stand out in the crowded world of cryptocurrencies? Well, let's start with its origin. Born out of an internet joke, Dogwifhat meme coin is a testament to the power of humor and collective action. Its value, unlike traditional currencies, is driven by the popularity of the meme that birthed it. The more viral the meme, the higher the value of the coin. But it's not just about viral trends. Dogwifhat meme coin has also established a solid standing in the world of cryptocurrencies. It's been embraced by a dedicated community of digital investors and meme enthusiasts alike, who appreciate its novelty as much as its potential for real-world transactions. So, as you see, Dogwifhat meme coin is more than just a passing fad. It's a fascinating intersection of pop culture and finance, where a simple meme can hold monetary value. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies, Dogwifhat meme coin is proof that even the silliest meme can become a force to reckon with. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.